Because I'm looking at both of y'all like, why is y'all looking at me like this?
Yo, baby, you ready to let the games begin? Oh, baby, cause I'm ready.
Hey, yeah.
On your mark, get set, here we go. Check it.
Y'all, it's spa day, 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 it's spa day. All right, so listen. Today is spa day. Who don't love spa day? Who don't love spa day? I'm putting my mask on. This is my exfoliating mask from Miran. Let me show y'all. I only do this about once or twice a month because I exfoliate my face a couple of times a day. So Miran. The way you apply this, it goes on orange, and then when you get an even coverage to your face, it turns white. Make sure you get your lips. I see the girls forget their lips. Make sure you get your lips, because it's included on your face. All right, so I keep it on for about 10 minutes, and then I rinse it off. And then it's time to moist tone and then moisturize the skin, honey. Yes. Today is spa day. Yes. Now it's time for me to wipe off. Whew, hot. Now it's time for me to wipe off my mask. It's been about 10 minutes. So you just rinse it off with lukewarm water. And it comes off pretty easily. These are the face towels that I use now. I was using the Johnson & Johnson's baby wipes, but these washcloths, disposable washcloths, are the best because they always stay wet. Let's start with that. And they're bigger. Look how big this towel is. Let me show y'all how big this washcloth is. Let me rinse it out. What? I can wipe my whole body down with that. I can wipe my whole body down with that. These are the washcloths I've been using. I found them from the Dollar Tree. Well, it's not really the Dollar Tree, but the $1.25 tree. And to be honest, when I found them, I got all the wipes that I can because I've got a whole box. Okay, so I have taken my mask off and left my skin so clean and glowy and just soft. All right, so after we cleanse, exfoliate, y'all say it with me, it's time to tone. Yes, it's time to tone. So listen. Y'all already know. The only toner I use is Skin Passion. Skin Passion has literally changed my life, y'all. Skin Passion toner has changed my life. Toner is the most important part of your skincare system. The toner. Because toner is supposed to have all the ingredients in there because it sits on your face. So I see people spray it. But for me, I wipe mine on my face. Because I don't know. I feel like it needs to be wiped. I just don't want to spray it. But like everybody do whatever they want to do. But for me, mine have active ingredients in it. It's apple cider infused. It helps with toning your skin. Apple cider helps with toning your skin. It has a natural, first of all, this toner is a natural toner. The ingredients in here come from the earth, honey. Straight from the earth. Straight from the earth. So apple cider, it has a natural ingredient in here to help with any acne. So it literally protects my face from any acne breakouts or anything like that. If I do have an acne breakout, once I wipe some of my toner on there for a couple of days, my acne is gone. I don't have that many breakouts anymore. I know the Skin Passion toner is the only reason that my skin is staying the way it is. Without this toner, my skin probably would not be in this shape that it's in. It's just a great natural toner. So anytime you put something on your face, see, for me, I need to put something on my face that I know I'm not going to break out with, and natural ingredients are stuff that you know you're not going to break out with, to be honest. So, Skin Passion, make sure you click the link in the description box. We do have a free trial going on for the month of July. So if you want to try my Skin Passion toner, make sure you hit the link in the description box below for my Skin Passion toner. Skin Passion is going to change your life, believe me. All right, so I pretty much shake it up to make sure all the ingredients is shook up good. And then I spray. And again, you can spray it on your face if you want. For me, I like to wipe my face with it. So I pretty much put a couple sprays on it. And then I wipe my face down with my toner. And again, this keeps my skin even. It keeps me from breaking out. Because I'm cleaning my pores. This is the second clean. So cleans, exfoliate, and now you tone. Tone sounds just like it sounds. It keeps your skin toned. Even complexion. Which is what we all want in life, is an even complexion. So you got to somehow figure out if you had blemishes. You got to figure out something to get those blemishes to be, to even out. Okay, so I'm done with my toner. Now, what is next, y'all? What's next? 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 Moisturizer! Yay! Now listen, the best moisturizer to use is shea butter. Now I got this raggedy bucket of shea butter that I found in my stash of beauty products. If you have shea butter, use shea butter. This is pure shea butter. This is how shea butter comes. Pure shea butter. This is how it comes. Yeah, this is the best thing to use on your face. But because it's hot and it's in the summertime, you want to use a moisturizer that has, in the summertime, I like using a moisturizer that has SP15 in it, and this is the one I use. Usually during the summer, I use my Vino SP15 Sunscreen Daily Moisturizer. This is what I use usually in the summertime because I don't like my face to have a suntan, to be honest. I mean, I got a little suntan now, but I would be darker if I didn't use my Vino SP14 Daily Moisturizer. Other than that, during the wintertime, I use my Gold Bond Moisturizer. It's it's to minimize dark spots. So this is what I use if I don't use my Vino. I've been using this. And I have seen the dark spots on my face lighten up when I use this. So this is what I use as a moisturizer. But I'm going to use my Vino, even though I'm probably not going nowhere today, but I'm just going to put a Vino on today. Just in case I do go outside, because it's been hot around the world for the last couple of days. It's been a week. It's really been hot. So I just been making sure I put my Vino on. And I make sure I rub it in real good, upward motions. Okay, so now that I'm done moisturizing, the next thing I do is I find me a lip gloss. And let me show y'all the lip gloss that I've been using. Okay, so now it's time for these lips. Even though I ain't going nowhere, I still just don't feel complete unless I put something on my lips. So, Fenty Beauty, I picked this up a couple weeks ago. This is my first time trying out Fenty Beauty. And to be honest, it's okay. I'm just going to say it's okay. It gives you a great shine. So if you're putting this on top of like lip gloss, lipstick or something, use Fenty Beauty. Only reason I like Fenty Beauty, but it's just one thing I don't like about Fenty Beauty. And this is just me. I don't like sticky lip gloss. I'm just going to be honest. I don't like sticky lip gloss. I like lip gloss that doesn't have a stick to it. If lip gloss girls, y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't like sticky lipstick. I don't like sticky lip gloss. And Fenty Beauty is a sticky lip gloss. Again, if you put it on top of something, then you might not get as much sticky. But if you wear it alone, it's a sticky lip gloss. So I usually put a little bit on it. It has a great smell to it. Like a cherry smell. So it has a great smell. And like I said, it gives you a great shine. So it gives you a great shine. And again, if you ain't going nowhere, it'll work for around the house. I'm also intrigued by this Ruby Kisses. Now, this is my favorite lip gloss. I've been loving this lip gloss. Ruby Kisses, Baby Doll. So the name of this is Ruby Kisses, Baby Doll. And I got it from my local beauty supply. And it's a butter bomb gloss. And usually, I just add a little bit just to give me like a little color to my lips. And it just gives me a little color. And this is pretty much what I do. When I go outside, I add a little color to it so it won't look so just lip gloss. I put a little color to it. And if you see, it gave me like a little pink color. And I've been loving that lip gloss. And it takes down a little bit of the stickiness that's in the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Again, if you girls like Fenty Beauty, I do too. It's just that one thing I don't like about it is the little sticky part. I don't like that. So I usually layer it so it won't be so sticky. All right. Now, y'all, the next thing I got to do, honey, it's long overdue. My nails is busted, y'all. When I say busted, look at this. I don't think I ever seen my nails like this. It's been a long time since I seen my nails like this. Now, listen, I was doing no-chip manicures for like the last 6 months. I've been doing no-chip manicures. And so it's time for me to take a break. I know when it's time for me to take a break because my nails start breaking all the way down there. So that's how I know it's time for me to take a break. The last no-chip manicure I had, all 3 of these nails broke down fine. This one is real bogus. Look at that one. Bogus. So anyway, I got to soak this no-chip off because I'm doing my nails myself. I don't go to the nail salon when I'm on break. I usually just put a clear polish on them, something like that. Or I might put like a bubble bath, some kind of like clear iridescent color on them. Nothing too like hot pinkish or nothing like that. And then I need to do my toes. I'm pretty much just going to give my toes a polish change. I don't want to show y'all them because they look real toe up. So nails is next. I'll be right back once I soak this off and show y'all what color I'm putting on my nails for today.